Hi everyone, welcome to Computer and Technology channel. Today's lecture, we are going to learn how to run Microsoft Word from the keyboard. You may be wondering, is it possible to open Microsoft Word program from the keyboard? Yes, very possible. Let us go. First of all, you get your system ready, boot up your system to the desktop. Then locate window key from the keyboard and hold it. Press R. This will display run window for you. It will display run window as this. This is run window. Key in and type WinWord. WinWord. Press enter key. This will open Microsoft Word environment. No matter the version or the type of Microsoft Word in your system. Remember, to do so, you hold this window key, press R, this is R. If you do so, it will display a window, run window key, run window. Look at the window, run window appears where you key in your WinWord. WinWord will take you to the Microsoft Word environment, no matter the version of Microsoft Word you have in your system. And that is how to run Microsoft Word through keyboard. Another alternative to run Microsoft Word from the keyboard is to press window key. Type Word. You can see all the version of Word you have your system will display. After typing Word on the search column, all the Word documents, all the Word version. I have 3 versions in my system. You can see I have 2.13, 2.10 and 2.7. Any one I decide to choose, I'll press arrow key to select any one. Look at the arrow key I'm talking about. Choose arrow key from your keyboard. This is up, this is down. You choose it from your keyboard. Then this enter key. Then I choose 210 for instance, and choose enter key. This will also take me to Microsoft Word environment. And this is where I'm going to withdraw today's lecture. And I believe you understand this topic on how to run MS Word from the keyboard. Thank you and God bless. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.